Question: which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Options: A. Nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondrion, D. Golgi apparatus. Correct answer is C. Mitochondrion. Explanation: mitochondria convert chemical energy from food into ATP through cellular respiration. Think of them like tiny power plants inside each cell that supply energy the cell needs to work. 2. Question: what is the chemical formula for water? Options: A. H2OC, O2D, C. H4. Correct answer is B. Explanation: a water molecule has 2 hydrogen atoms bonded to 1 oxygen atom. That's why its formula is H2O, 2 H's and 1 O. 3. Question: which gas do plants primarily take in for photosynthesis? Options: A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Explanation: during photosynthesis, plants use carbon dioxide, CO2, water, and sunlight to make glucose and release oxygen. CO2 is the carbon source for building plant sugars. Question: what is the normal function of white blood cells? Options: A. Carry oxygen, B. Digest food, C. Fight infection, D. Store fat. Correct answer is C. Fight infection. Explanation: white blood cells are part of the immune system. They identify and destroy pathogens like bacteria and viruses and help coordinate immune responses. Question: which layer of Earth is liquid and lies beneath the crust and above the core? Options: A. Inner core, B. Outer core, C. Mantle, D. Lithosphere. Correct answer is C. Mantle. Explanation: the mantle is a thick, mostly solid layer between the crust and outer core that convects slowly. Note the outer core beneath the mantle is liquid iron. 6. Question: what is the basic unit of life in all living things? Options: A. Atom, B. Cell, C. Tissue, D. Organ. Correct answer is B. Cell. Explanation: the cell is the smallest unit capable of performing all life functions. Every living organism, from bacteria to humans, is made up of cells that grow, reproduce, and respond to the environment. 7. Question: what part of the plant carries water from the roots to the leaves? Options: A. Phloem, B. Xylem, C. Stomata, D. Chloroplast. Correct answer is B. Xylem. Explanation: xylem vessels act like tubes that transport water and minerals from the roots up through the stem to the leaves, helping the plant stay hydrated and nourished. 8. Question: which organ in the human body is responsible for filtering blood? Options: A. Heart, B. Kidney, C. Liver, D. Lungs. Correct answer is B. Kidney. Explanation: the kidneys filter waste and excess fluids from the blood, creating urine. They help maintain a healthy balance of salts and minerals in the body. 9. Question: what is the process by which plants make their own food? Options: A. Respiration, C. Photosynthesis, D. Germination. Correct answer is C. Photosynthesis. Explanation: photosynthesis uses sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to create glucose, a type of sugar, for energy. Oxygen is released as a byproduct. 10. Question: what is the chemical symbol for sodium? Options: A, so B, SC, DS. Correct answer is B, Ne. Explanation: the symbol in A comes from the Latin word natrium, which is the historical name for sodium. It's an essential element found in salt. 11. Question: which human organ is mainly responsible for pumping blood throughout the body? Options: A, brain, heart, C, lungs, D, liver. Correct answer is B, heart. Explanation: the heart is a muscular organ that contracts rhythmically to pump oxygen-rich blood to tissues and return oxygen-poor blood to the lungs. 12. Question: what type of change occurs when water freezes into ice? Options: A, chemical change, B, physical change, C, biological change, D, molecular change. Correct answer is B, physical change. Explanation: when water freezes, only its physical state changes from liquid to solid. Its chemical composition, H2O, stays exactly the same. Question: what is the main gas found in the Earth's atmosphere? Options: oxygen, B, carbon dioxide, C, nitrogen, D, hydrogen. Correct answer is C, nitrogen. Explanation: about 78% of Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen gas, which is inert and helps balance oxygen levels for safe breathing and combustion. Question: what part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? Options: A, lens, B, retina, C, cornea. Correct answer is C, iris. Explanation: the iris adjusts the size of the pupil depending on light intensity, making it larger in dim light and smaller in bright light. 15. Question: which part of the atom contains protons and neutrons? Options: A, nucleus, B, electron cloud, C, shell, D, orbit. Correct answer is A, nucleus. Explanation: the nucleus is the dense center of an atom that holds protons, positive charge, and neutrons, neutral. Electrons orbit around it. 16. Question, what type of energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? Options: A, kinetic energy, B, chemical energy, C, potential energy, D, electrical energy. Correct answer is C, potential energy. Explanation: the stretched rubber band has stored potential energy due to its position. When released, it converts to kinetic energy as it snaps back. 17. Question, which planet is known as the red planet? Options: A, Venus, B, Mars, C, Jupiter, D, Mercury. Correct answer is B, Mars. Explanation: Mars appears red because of iron oxide, rust, on its surface. It's the fourth planet from the sun and has been a focus of many space missions. 18. Question, what do we call the process of liquid water changing into vapor? Options: A, condensation, B, freezing, C, evaporation, D, sublimation. Correct answer is C, evaporation. Explanation: evaporation happens when molecules at the surface of a liquid gain enough energy to escape into the air as vapor, usually due to heat. 19. Question, what organ helps the body maintain balance and posture? Options: A, heart, B, brain, C, ear, D, lungs. Correct answer is C, ear. Explanation: the inner ear has semicircular canals filled with fluid that detect head movement and position, helping the body keep its balance. 20. Question, which part of a plant is mainly responsible for photosynthesis? Options: A, roots, B, stem, C, leaves, D, flowers. Correct answer is C, leaves. Explanation: leaves contain chloroplasts filled with chlorophyll, a green pigment that captures sunlight for photosynthesis, allowing the plant to make food. Question, what is the largest organ in the human body? Options: A, heart, B, brain, C, skin, D, liver. Correct answer is C, skin. Explanation: the skin protects internal organs, regulates body temperature, and helps prevent water loss. It acts as the body's first line of defense against germs. 22. Question, what part of a cell contains genetic material? Options: A, cytoplasm, B, ribosome, C, nucleus, D, cell membrane. Correct answer is C, nucleus. Explanation: the nucleus houses DNA, which carries the genetic instructions for growth, reproduction, and all cell functions. Question, what is the boiling point of water at sea level? Options: A, degrees, B, degrees, D, 50 degrees C, D, 100 degrees C. Correct answer is C, 100 degrees. Explanation: at sea level, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The boiling point changes with air pressure. Higher altitudes mean lower boiling points. 24. Question, which planet is closest to the sun? Options: A, Venus, B, Earth, C, Mercury, D, Mars. Correct answer is C, Mercury. Explanation: Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in our solar system. It completes an orbit around the sun in just 88 days. 25. Question, what is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Options: A, gold, quartz, C, diamond, D, iron. Correct answer is C, diamond. Explanation: diamond's carbon atoms are tightly bonded in a strong crystal lattice, making it the hardest known natural material. 26. Question, what is the main gas that humans exhale? Options: A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, carbon dioxide, D, hydrogen. Correct answer is C, carbon dioxide. Explanation: during respiration, the body uses oxygen and produces carbon dioxide as a waste gas, which we exhale through the lungs. 27. Question, which organ system includes the brain and spinal cord? Options: A, circulatory system, B, nervous system, C, digestive system, D, respiratory system. Correct answer is B, nervous system. Explanation: the nervous system controls body activities by sending electrical signals through the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. 28. Question, what do we call animals that eat only plants? Options: A, carnivores, B, omnivores, C, herbivores, D, detritivores. Correct answer is C, herbivores. Explanation: herbivores such as cows and rabbits eat plants only. They have teeth and digestive systems designed for breaking down tough plant material. 29. Question, which part of the human skeleton protects the brain? Options: A, spine, B, rib cage, skull, D, pelvis. Correct answer is skull. Explanation: the skull is a hard, bony structure that encloses and protects the brain from injury. 30. Question, what is the process of breaking down food into nutrients called? Options: A, circulation, B, respiration, C, digestion, D, absorption. Correct answer is C, digestion. Explanation: digestion involves both mechanical and chemical processes that break food into smaller molecules the body can absorb for energy. 31. Question, which planet has the largest number of moons? Options: A, Earth, B, Mars, C, Jupiter, D, Saturn. Correct answer is D, Saturn. Explanation: Saturn has over 80 known moons, the most of any planet. Its largest moon, Titan, is even bigger than Mercury. 32. Question. Which vitamin is mainly produced in the skin when exposed to sunlight? Options: A, vitamin A, B, vitamin C, C, vitamin D, D, vitamin B12. Correct answer is C, vitamin D. Explanation. Sunlight triggers the skin to make vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and calcium absorption. 33. Question. What do you call a scientist who studies rocks? Options: A, biologist, chemist, C, geologist, D, physicist. Correct answer is C, geologist. Explanation. Geologists study Earth's structure, materials, and processes, including rocks, minerals, and the history of the planet. 34. Question. What type of simple machine is a ramp? Options: A, pulley, B, lever, C, inclined plane, D, wedge. Correct answer is C, inclined plane. Explanation. A ramp or inclined plane makes it easier to move heavy objects upward by spreading the work over a longer distance. 35. Question. What is the main purpose of red blood cells? Options: A, carry oxygen, B, fight infection, C, help with clotting, D, produce hormones. Correct answer is A, carry oxygen. Explanation. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds oxygen and transports it from the lungs to body tissues. 36. Question. What part of a flower contains the ovules? Options: A, stamen, B, pistil, C, petal, D, sepal. Correct answer is B, pistil. Explanation. The pistil is the female part of the flower, and its ovary contains ovules that develop into seeds after fertilization. 37. Question. What type of rock forms from cooled lava? Options: A, sedimentary, B, igneous, C, metamorphic, D, organic. Correct answer is B, igneous. Explanation. Igneous rocks form when molten magma or lava cools and hardens, like basalt or granite. 38. Question. Which element do all organic compounds contain? Options: A, oxygen, B, carbon, C, nitrogen, D, hydrogen. Correct answer is B, carbon. Explanation. Organic chemistry is the study of carbon compounds, as carbon can form strong bonds with many elements, creating life's molecules. 39. Question. What is the process by which plants lose water through their leaves? Options: A, transpiration, B, respiration, C, evaporation, D, absorption. Correct answer is A, transpiration. Explanation. Transpiration is the release of water vapor through tiny openings called stomata, helping regulate plant temperature and water movement. 40. Question. What is the force that keeps planets in orbit around the sun? Options: A, magnetism, B, gravity, C, friction, D, momentum. Correct answer is B, gravity. Explanation. Gravity is the force of attraction between objects with mass. The sun's gravity pulls planets into stable orbits. 41. Question. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Options: A, oxygen, B, carbon, C, hydrogen, D, helium. Correct answer is C, hydrogen. Hydrogen makes about 75% of the universe's mass and is the primary fuel for stars through nuclear fusion. 42. Which body system includes the lungs? Options: A, circulatory system, B, respiratory system, C, digestive system, D, endocrine system. Correct answer is B, respiratory system. Explanation. The respiratory system allows the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and the environment. 43. Question. What part of the earth is made of solid iron and nickel? Options: A, mantle, B, inner core, C, outer core, D, crust. Correct answer is B, inner core. Explanation. The inner core is solid because of intense pressure, even though it's extremely hot, made mostly of iron and nickel. 44. Question. What is another name for a meteor that reaches Earth's surface? Options: A, asteroid, B, comet, C, meteorite, D, satellite. Correct answer is C, meteorite. Explanation. When a meteor survives its fiery trip through Earth's atmosphere and lands, it's called a meteorite. 45. What is the main source of energy for the Earth's climate and weather? Options: A, the moon, the sun, C, the oceans, D, volcanoes. Correct answer is B, the sun. Explanation. The sun's energy drives wind, ocean currents, and weather patterns by heating Earth's atmosphere and surface. 46. Question. Which human organ helps remove toxins and produces bile? Options: A, B, liver, C, stomach, D, pancreas. Correct answer is B, liver. Explanation. The liver filters toxins from blood and makes bile, which helps digest fats in the small intestine. Question. What form of energy is produced by moving electrons? Options: A, sound energy, B, chemical energy, C, electrical energy, D, thermal energy. Correct answer is C, electrical energy. Explanation. Electrical energy results from the flow of electrons through a conductor, powering lights, appliances, and machines. 48. Question. What is the smallest particle of an element that still has its properties? Options: A, atom, B, molecule, C, ion, D, neutron. Correct answer is A, Atom. Explanation. Atoms are the fundamental units of matter. They combine to form molecules, but alone still keep the identity of their element. 49. Question. What type of simple machine is a seesaw? Options: A. Lever, B. Wheel and axle, C. Pulley, D. Wedge. Correct answer is a lever. Explanation. A seesaw is a first-class lever using a fixed point called a fulcrum to lift weight on one side by applying force on the other. 50. Question. What organ helps absorb nutrients after digestion? Options: A. Stomach, B. Large intestine, C. Small intestine, D. Liver. Correct answer is C. Small intestine. Explanation. The small intestine has tiny finger-like projections called villi that absorb nutrients from digested food into the bloodstream.